Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we have My Little Pony Cutie Crew Series 4. This is My Little Pony Cutie Crew Series 4. This is part 5 of the My Little Pony Cutie Crew Series 4. Yes, this is My Little Pony Cutie Crew Series. This is the Beach Day series for Series 4. Yes. And here is the instruction. Number 1, you need to pull the tab. Second, you need to pull the string to start the party. You see the back. You can collect 24 ponies. Yes, this is Beach Day series. Yes, you say pull string inside to start the party. Okay, I have opened this 4th time already. Yes, I'm gonna show you my part 1 first. This is my part 1 We get Fluttershy. This is Neon Fluttershy for part 1. This is her accessory. It's this starfish right here. So this is the part 1. Let's move on to the part 2. Here is the part 2 here. We have the part 2 we have Applejack with her accessory. It's this popsicle. Let's put Applejack right here. Let's take a look at my part 3. Okay. Here is my part 3. This part 3 I get Sea Pony Fluttershy with her accessory. Is this flamingo? Yes. So yeah, let's put right here. Let's move on to my part 4. Let's move on to part 4. Let's see my part 4. This is my part 4 I get. In part 4 I get Neon Rainbow Dash. This is Neon Rainbow Dash I get for part 4. Yes, it comes with her accessory with these flippers. Okay, let's put right here. Now, today we open the My Little Pony Cutie Crew Series 4 Beach Day Part 5. Now it's Part 5. Yes, the previous I opened Part 4. Okay, today we open Part 5. Yes, this is Part 5 of the My Little Pony Cutie Crew Series 4 Beach Day. Okay, let's move this at the side. Let's put right here. But wait, I need to go grab something. Let's move this away. But first, we need to take a container to fill my confetti. Let's move this in the camera. But first thing you need to do is to put a tap. The next thing you need to put a string to start the party. Come on guys, let's start the party! Come with me, everyone come with me. Let's all count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I love confetti. Confettis are everywhere. Let's check this very fast. Ooh, you see the confettis are out. I love confetti. I love confetti. It's stuck in my hand. Let's get all this confetti out. Okay, Let me see which cutie pony we get. This is the My Little Pony Cutie Macro Beach Day Series 4. We have a blind bag. Let me see which cutie pony we get. We need a okay, let me see which accessory. Let me see the accessory. The accessory is this glasses. Woo! This is the clear glasses. I love these glasses. This is teal green with blue right here. Can you see the blue right here? Here is turquoise colors. Yes, here's the glasses. Let me see which cutie pony we get with who get the glasses. Let me see. We get Rarity. This is the Equestria Girl Rarity. We get Rarity as Equestria Girl. Yes, this is Equestria Girl Rarity. Yes, here is she. Yes, I love her hair. So cool. We get Rarity Equestria Girl. All ponies comes with the orange sand. So let's put Equestria Girl Rarity. Here you go. Let's put Equestria Rarity, put in her accessory, which is the sunglasses. Let's put right here. Let's take out the flyer. This is the flyer. Let's see her cam flip. It says Rarity, her sunglasses and her glamorous touch to her vacational style. Look at Rarity. She's happy with her wearing her sunglasses. Where is she in? I don't know what's that place. Ooh. Let me see the back. So cool. We have all 24 ponies right here. We already have Fluttershy Neon. We already have Applejack with her popsicle. We already have Fluttershy Sea Pony with her flamingo. And also already have Rainbow Dash with her flippers. Now we get Rarity, the Equestria Girl, with her sunglasses. So cool, we have Rarity, Equestria Girl with her sunglasses. Let's put right here. I love this Rarity Equestria Girl with her sunglasses. Let's put right here. Okay, that's all for my video for today. This is My Little Pony Cutie Macro Series 4 Beach Day Part 5. Okay, see you on the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.